Good morning and welcome back to day 2 of the ServiceNow Conference here in Las Vegas. I'm Lydia with Royal Cyber, and today I'm joined at the booth by Jordan. Jordan, thanks for coming by.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Tell me what made you decide to attend this year's conference.
Well, it's in Vegas. That was easy. Other than that, I've been on ServiceNow for almost 10 years, so I try to make my way over here when I can. So,
Vegas is always the answer.
Yeah, Vegas is the answer, but there's also a lot to learn and a lot of good people to meet.
So tell me about your company and what role you have within that company.
Yeah, so I actually manage our ServiceNow development. I do most of the architecture for it. We try to use ServiceNow for everything that we possibly can. It's a product portal front page for customer product information and support. We run an ITSM, Discovery, CSM. I feel like we have almost every app, but a lot to do, a lot of opportunities still.
Sounds like you're really tapping in then.
Absolutely, yes.
So what's been the most impressive use case of AI that you've seen recently?
A lot of interest around protocols like MCP. So agents talking to each other, handling sophisticated actions. That's to me is magic, but it seems really impressive. There was an example here at the ServiceNow Conference around how Google is implementing their own protocol standards on how they can communicate with multiple different agents across Microsoft, Google, ServiceNow. So that seems to be the future, and it was really, really impressive how seamless it seemed.
It really is impressive how far AI has come even since the last conference last year.
It's everything now. Yeah,
Truly.
it is everything.
So how prepared do you think your company is for AI adoption moving forward into the next year?
We're trying our hardest like every other company. We realize that we need to adopt and pivot and grow as quickly as we can. We need to have AI as a part of every step of that road. It's definitely going to be a measure of success soon this year for a lot of companies, and moving forward it's going to be critical. So we recognize that it's what is going to separate us, make us competitive, so we're here for it. So we're trying to get AI into nearly everything that we do and make sure that we have smart decisions around the architecture, the security for it, and governance is a real big concern of ours. So just put AI in wherever we can, but make sure humans are still in control and that we're ultimately responsible and we know what's going on.
But kind of take that step to set yourself apart from the competition.
Oh, it's all a competitive edge. We're moving faster. We're doing things that we've never been able to do before. Very exciting. Very
cool. Well, we appreciate you stopping by the Royal Cyber booth and sharing your take with us, and we look forward to seeing you at the conference hopefully next year as well.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Thank you.